Atma Namaskar, this is Shalu. As we are living longer, women are spending more than one third of their life after menopause. They experience uncomfortable symptoms which affect their quality of life at home and work. Yoga helps by balancing the output from various glands. Let's practice some of the most recommended yoga postures to help us embrace menopause with a smile. In case anyone has a medical ailment, please talk to the doctor first. One of the common symptoms of menopause is erratic mood swings. Fluctuations in hormones can contribute to mood swings. Some of the asanas which can help, the first one is Adho Mukha Shwasasana or downward facing dog. Pressing your hands firmly onto the mat, exhale, raise the hips high in the air, head between the arms. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. While in the posture, breathe normally. This pose increases oxygen circulation to the brain. It enhances alertness and also relieves anxiety. It's a weight-bearing exercise and helps to increase bone density. Another asana is standing forward bend or Padhasana. Inhale, taking the arms above the head, bend forward while exhaling. Catch hold of the back of the legs and try to bring the forehead to the knees. Breathe normally and hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. In case you can't hold it for so long, release the posture and do it again. Use a chair in case of back pain. It also helps to hold the posture for a longer period. This pose helps to increase blood flow to the brain, relieves anxiety and agitation. Let's do a counter pose by stretching backwards. A lot of women experience heavy or irregular periods. Sometimes they skip a period, then they have a heavier than normal flow, and then they skip few cycles. These postures are very useful. First one is Badh Kon Asana or bound angle pose. Stay in this position for 1 minute, breathing normally. Can move the knees up and down. This pose helps to strengthen the uterus, kidneys and bladder. Another asana is Upavishta Kon Asana or seated wide angle pose. If anyone has back pain, either avoid or use a support. Legs apart, inhale, taking arms above the head, exhaling, bend forward, moving the arms forward and breathe normally for 30 seconds or more. We can use a pillow as a support and rest the head on the pillow. This pose increases circulation to ovaries and tones the uterus, reduces heavy bleeding, regulates menstrual flow and also helps to relieve hot flashes. It also strengthens the bladder to prevent urinary incontinence. Another common symptom of menopause is hot flashes. Experts suggest hot flashes stem from a malfunction in body's temperature control center in hypothalamus as the hormones fluctuate. Postures which can help are head on knee pose or Janu Shish Asana. Inhale, taking arms over the head. As you exhale, bend forward and rest the head on knee without straining. Yatha Samarth, and stay in the pose for at least 30 seconds or more. You can use a support. Let's do the other leg. This pose helps to revitalize the adrenal glands, which can mitigate hot flashes. Another pose is legs up the wall pose. Swing legs up against the wall. Rest in this position for a few minutes, breathing normally. This pose increases blood flow to the pelvic region. Avoid this pose at the time of menstruation or the pelvis should not be higher than the chest. Postures which help with fuzzy thinking. Forgetfulness is a very common symptom while going through menopause. Thankfully, it is temporary and it does not indicate premature senility. These poses are very useful. Plow or halasan. Avoid this pose if you have neck, shoulder or back problem. If you have asthma or heart disease, please avoid this pose or check with your physician. In case toes don't touch the ground, support the back with your hands. Rest here, eyes closed for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing deeply. This pose helps us to think more clearly by bringing oxygenated blood to the head. If this is too much of a stretch, use a chair to do this half plow. The counter pose of this is Setu Bandhasan or bridge pose. Inhale, push the waist upwards without any pressure on the back. Hold for some time, breathing normally. We can support the body with the hands. This pose has a calming effect on the body. Hug your knees. A lot of women feel lack of energy and fatigue and also disturbed sleep while going through menopause. These postures are extremely relaxing and they help to replenish the energy. Child pose or balasana. It stretches hips, thighs and ankles. It calms the brain, relieves fatigue and stress. And shavasana. Legs apart, arms apart, palms facing upwards. Close the eyes, let everything relax and remain in this position. It helps to relieve anxiety and prepares the mind and body for a restful sleep. Facilitates a relaxation response which relieves hot flashes and anxiety. We practice deep breathing while we are in shavasana. Place your hands on the stomach. Breathe in through the nose, taking long deep breaths to a count of 4. Feel your hands move out. Breathe out through parted lips to a count of 4. Feel the hands move down to the original position. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Try to take longer to exhale than the inhalation. You can exhale through the nose if it feels more comfortable. When we breathe out through the mouth using pucker lip breathing, it helps to generate a backward pressure in airways that helps in keeping them open. A pranayam which is very useful to relieve hot flashes is Sitkari pranayam or cooling breath. Gently clench the lower and upper teeth together and separate the lips. Inhale from between the gaps in teeth and focus on the hissing sound of the breath as it moves in. Close the mouth and exhale from both nostrils. Repeat, breathing the same way for 20 breaths and then relax and breathe normally. This pranayam lowers body temperature, reduces hot flashes. Whenever you feel a hot flash coming on, you can control it with this. If you have low blood pressure or asthma, avoid this pranayam and it should not be practiced for long duration in winter months. Pelvic floor exercises or Kegel exercises help in treating incontinence. They involve repeatedly contracting and relaxing the pelvic floor muscles used ordinarily to halt urination. In addition to dealing with changes in their bodies, women are also coping with major changes in life, such as children leaving the nest. Yoga offers stillness and creates caring space for women to connect with other women going through similar changes. Research has shown that yoga can help from everything from weight loss to lowering period pain, relieving hot flashes, reducing anxiety to improving quality of sleep. It also helps to fend off bone loss and prevents osteoporosis, which is very common after menopause. It can certainly increase the number of active and blissful years in life. So keep practicing, stay happy, healthy, calm and active. Thank you and Hari Om Tat Sat.